Hi, I'm Faye with 7eWellness. At 7eWellness, we've worked really hard to create a professional microcurrent device that meets the needs of our customers. We know how hard you work and how much you care about your clients, so we listened.
I'm in the beauty industry, and I try to make sure my room looks pretty. I would like my tools to accentuate my room, yet be compact.
I like to buy the most advanced and latest technologies on the market because my clients depend on me for that.
There are so many microcurrent machines. I want credibility to make sure the device is safe, effective, and FDA approved.
I want a device that I can transfer between two rooms. Something that's powerful, but portable. I want a professional device that has a lot to offer, but I don't want to spend hours in training just to learn how to operate the device. I am busy managing my spa and wearing multiple hats. Last thing I want is a complex machine.
I just care about results. I have loyal customers that depend on me for results, and I want to keep them excited and happy. I love my customers.
Finally, I found a device I can depend on.